Hi guys, welcome back to Lou's Beauty Closet. If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Lou. I post weekly beauty videos usually. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. And if you're already subscribed, ring that bell so you don't miss out on any videos. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so we are doing a bit of a different video today. I have got my clothes all laid out on the bed and toiletries and bags and things. You're probably wondering, Lou, what on earth is going on? So I am going on holiday. I look hideous right now, so that's why I'm not in front of the camera. But I've got all my stuff on the bed, so we're just gonna pack basically. Got my short sleeve t-shirts, my long sleeve tops as well. So I've got two black ones, I've got two long sleeve white ones, two white t-shirts, and then I've got a few bodysuits and a crop top there. And I've got a jumpsuit, I've got dresses, mainly dresses. I've got like about 8 dresses. So I've got jumpsuit, dress. So dresses and jumpsuit. I've got one for my birthday dinner, some for fancy dinners, some for a bit more casual situations. So just here I've got my swimsuit and cover up, and then I've got pajamas. I've got 2 sets of PJs, and I've just got underwear and a bunch of bras there as well. So yeah, dresses, I'll just show you guys a better look. That's my jacket for like gym wear, and I've got a sports bra there as well. And then I've just got 2 scarves. So all my jewellery I put into my Tiffany pouches. So I've just got fluffy socks there, that's for the plain. And then I've got 3 Tiffany pouches, so that's just for my 2 bracelets and my earrings. And then I've got my fashion jewellery, a pair of sunnies. And then here we've got bags. So I've got my Cult Gaia Arc bag, which we need to stuff with things because the last time I travelled with that it got a bit bent. So I need to stuff it well. And then I've got my Pochette Matisse here and my Couture Marmont. So those 2 are going to go inside my carry-on bag. The Cult Gaia will go in my check-in. Then I've got some toiletry pouches here. Got a few toiletry pouches. The round rose gold set is that's for my brushes, my makeup brushes. The pink one I also use for makeup because it's double-sided. Then just showing you guys that clear bag of toiletries is going to be what goes on my carry-on just for security purposes, so I can move that away. So that's just some of the skincare. Then this Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch is going to house a majority of my makeup as well. I'm actually going to check that in. I've done it heaps of times before, I don't mind. I've got this Longchamp bag, which is a duffel. It's their small duffel. I just take it with me. It's been invaluable every time I travel. I literally just use it as like an emergency situation. If I need to check in my roll-on hand luggage suitcase, I use this as my hand luggage instead. I've got a throwaway bag for carnival, and I've got my Joby tripod if I decide to vlog, a bit of camera stuff underneath. And then in this corner here, I've got my jacket. So I've got a white denim jacket, a black duster coat, and a camel duster coat. This is just another look at all the stuff I'm taking. So yes, I lay it all on the bed and I'm going to start using packing cubes. This is the first time I've used packing cubes, so we shall see how that looks. Just my shoes. I've got the sandals from Primark, these kitten heels from Jagger, the label. These are new, and this is going to be so much fun styling this with my white stuff, my red things. So much fun. Really excited to try these out. It's not as orange as the camera shows, but you know. Then I've got these black slingbacks that are new. And I've got these Chanel ballet flats, which are new and gross inside, so ignore that. And then I've got my Jimmy Choos, so for my dressy dinners and things like that. And then I've got a pair of heeled brown sandals, which I'm super excited to wear because they're new as well. So yeah. And then I've also got trainers. I've got my NMDs, but those are off camera. I'm wearing that with me to the airport with my sports leggings and a jumper. So I just thought I'd show you guys. So these are my packing cubes. I just got them from Big W. So they're a brand called Globelite. Don't know if you've heard of them. I know Amazon sells them, but at that time I was in Big W getting something. I saw them. I said I can't be asked ordering on Amazon, waiting for delivery. Plus all the orders I did before traveling were ridiculous. So I thought, yep, no more orders. So basically I got 2 sets. So one is multicolour. That's why you see all the colours. So I've got 2 massive ones. And then I've got 2 medium size. I've got those 2 small size ones. So we'll see how it works and how things look when I pack them, but all this needs to go into there. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so quick update. So as you can see, some of them are bulging. The blue one has my outerwear, most of it, and it's got the denim jacket, it's got my accessories, it's got my gym jacket and my sports bra and the overflow of the dresses. Then I had dress jumpsuit overflow. This is all my dresses, this big purple one here. And I love this one because it has a handle on the cube, so you can actually see it, hold it like that. So these 2 big ones are dresses, outerwear, jumpsuits, that kind of stuff. This middle size pink one here is my tops, so my long sleeve tops, t-shirts, my bodysuits, all the tops is in here. This purple one, medium size, is all my pyjamas, tops, bottoms, pyjama like long sleeve tops. Then this small purple one is my bottoms, so my leggings, my jeans, that kind of stuff, like bicycle shorts and all that kind of stuff, all that good stuff for summer. And then in here I've managed to pop my underwear in here, so I've got 2 of them. This is all by the same company as well, Globelite. So I've got this dust bag for shoes basically. So I'm going to try and stack these 2 shoes into one bag, and then the other bag can be for the heeled sandals. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Sandals, I've just slid them on the sides. 2 shoe dust bags, which is great, so they don't dirty my clothes. And pretty much all my clothes are in the bags. So now I just need to put my Chanel ballet flats and my shoes in their dust bags. So we've got the shoes there, we've got the ballet flats underneath, and we've got the heeled sandals and the slippers in there, and then here we've got the 2 kitten heels and the slingbacks. So we've got everything there. These stuff, the jewellery, the 2 handbags, they're going in my hand luggage, everything else going in check-on, so all the toiletries and stuff are going in my carry-on, my check-in suitcase. So is my tripod. So the packing cube with the outerwear and the overflow of dresses and accessories and stuff, we'll put it in here. So it's like Tetris. Then the packing cube with the dresses. Then my tops. My pyjamas, and I've just got underwear and bottoms. We've got everything in, all the packing cubes are in on the side of the railings. And then I'll just put the compression straps on. I also have the zipped cover, so that will stop everything coming out. So now we just have to do the other side. So I'm just laying things down just to see how we're going to fit things. So now that the shoes are in, I'm happy with how they are. So I'm now just going to put my duster jackets at the top corner and put the bras sort of wedged in between. swimwear and cover up I'm just going to wedge in between. Still heaps of space to lay stuff on top. So now what I'm going to do is stuff. I might actually put the dusters inside the Cult Gaia bag just to stuff it. Might put the swimsuit, that stripy white thing and the black thing next to it, the swimsuit and the cover up, I might put inside the Cult Gaia bag, there was space, just so that it doesn't get bumped. I've wrapped the duster around the bag as well to protect it too, which is good. The shoes fit in the corner, so all that's left is my 2 toiletry bags, my brush holder. It's just my carry-on I need to pack now. That's pretty much my checked suitcase. Not really a pro at all this packing business. This is the first time I've used packing cubes. So yeah, like I said guys, I'm not really a pro at packing. Like I don't use packing cubes. I usually just fold and roll my stuff in my suitcase anyway. But this is the first time I've used packing cubes, so I probably will get some more and play around with different brands, different versions. I know I'm taking a lot of clothes, but I've got lots of activities planned and lots of dress up things planned and you know, that kind of good stuff. So I just like to be prepared. Thanks guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video, even though it was a bit different. I've always loved watching these kind of videos, so I took the opportunity to do my own. I was off to London and Paris for my 25th birthday. I didn't end up vlogging, but I just wanted to enjoy myself. If you enjoyed today's video, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up, and on your way out, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Thanks again guys, can't wait to see you back here again.